many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. Boy, do we have an amazing collab for you today called Easter Around the World with all these very talented creators and a really nice giveaway. Look at a $50 Amazon card as well as that amazing basket of goodies. This is all sponsored and hosted by CeeJ. So please make sure to check CeeJ's channel out and all the creators. I will have the playlist linked in my description box as well as CeeJ's channel. All right, I've got two DIYs for you. I am from the Midwest, from Omaha, Nebraska. My parents grew up on farms in Iowa, and so growing up, we would always go to my grandparents' house for Easter with I have over 60 first cousins, okay? Huge family, all the cousins, etc. Big Easter egg hunts, and you know, the farmhouses were Shabby and Rustic and Farmhouse all combined, right? So that's my inspiration for today's two projects that I have for you today. So we are starting with this bunny cutout that I did get from Amazon. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront. I think it might already be linked, but if not, I'll make sure. It came with 3 of them as well as 3 large egg cutouts. And so I'm going to take some of this really pretty paper and I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge it onto my Easter bunny. And then I'm going to embellish him up. I'm going to distress him with some Distress Oxide, I believe in the color Walnut, as well as do a bow with some silk ribbon and drop cloth and a totally dazzled embellishment. And so there you go. I like to mix the silk, the shabby with more of the rustic drop cloth, and then you'll see a rustic crate that I'm going to make with some carrots where the bunny will be attached to, like standing on top. Oh, and wait till you see the back of the bunny. So darling. Cannot wait for you to see his little bum. All right. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being here today. Again, my name is Mary Beth, and I do like to do all different kinds of DIYs. Shabby, I love me some shabby chic. I love rustic, boho, farmhouse, and thrift flips are my absolute favorite types to do. So if you are interested in that type of content, I would invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for returning. And if you guys could do me a quick favor and hit that like button, it not only helps my channel, but it may present my video to other people that are interested in the same type of content that you are. So I would greatly appreciate that. All right, so I'll let you enjoy this DIY, and I will catch up with you in just a little bit.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when just me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Okay, so I am finishing up the front, or I just finished the front of the bunny. Look at this. Okay, this is a cute bud from some of my oh my gosh, what are they called? Peony flowers. And my really good friend Favi from Arrows DIY was the one to suggest that I put it as the little bunny tail instead of a cottontail. So I thought that was so super cute. And I got a picture of it at the end. I love that part of the bunny. Anyway, so you will see I'm going to just, this is what I liked about the crate. It was so easy that wood cutout just fit perfectly, and I just hot glued it in, and it's fine. Originally, I glue these. Well, first I'm going to distress these eggs with that same distress oxide, just to make them look more old and dirty and rustic. And then I do glue them together, and I did put them in, but then you'll see I pull them out and I add some really pretty greenery as the leaves or the tops of the carrots. As well as I put some boxwood in there and a cute little twine bow. And yeah, that'll finish up this DIY.
Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all.
All right, I hope you liked that first DIY. Okay, the second DIY was a lot of fun to make. So this is a tray that I got on clearance at Joann's. I think around at the end of fall. I got it like 90% off. And it did have some barbecue stain on it or something. And I had previously painted it white. And then I changed my mind on what project I wanted to do. So I am going to use this beautiful celery. I believe it's celery that I'm using. So light green color. And I'm just going to paint it in this color. And then I'm going to use another piece of the scrapbook paper that is so pretty. And I'm simply going to Mod Podge it down to the middle of the tray. And you'll notice that my paper is a 12 by 12. So I cut it to fit, but the length or height of it wasn't long enough. But that's okay. We decided to put some embellishments on the top and bottom of this tray. And this tray was really more as a decorative piece to display, versus like, I don't know, using it as an actual tray. Although you probably could, but so you'll see how I embellish this. So again, be on the lookout for my secret word so that you can enter the amazing giveaway. All right, I'll catch up with you in just a little bit.
Love it till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Okay, I'm putting the finishing touches on this, and I use 2 different sizes of beads, as you can see. Oh my goodness, I think it's so cute. All right, let me know what you think. Let me know which one's your favorite, and love to know some of your Easter traditions or memories of Easter. And don't forget, you need to put the secret word in your comment, okay? And watch everybody in the playlist and put their secret words in order to enter the giveaway. I will have more details. I'll pin a comment here in a little bit, as far as like the date that CJ is gonna draw it. Thank you so much to CJ for putting together an amazing Easter around the world, and thank you to all the creators. It was a lot of fun being in this amazing collab.